channel. Today I'm gonna be demonstrating how to finish a row seam using edge stitching to finish or neaten the row edges. And to start off, you need to have your sewing machine on the right stitch. That is, make sure if your sewing machine has a number of stitches, make sure that you set it at the straight stitch. Then make sure it is well threaded, and you have 2 pieces of fabric like this ones that you'll be practicing with. With these 2 pieces of fabric, we'll be making a plain seam, and then after making the plain seam, we will edge stitch it to finish off the row edges. The row edges are like these ones. We'll be finishing it off using edge stitching to make sure they do not fray. Okay, now we'll start off by making about an inch. We'll be leaving a seam allowance of about an inch. Make sure to remember to back stitch at the beginning of every stitching line and at the end of the stitches. Now we have a very clean straight stitch for a plain seam, and you can see we have our seam allowances left. Now we'll be edge stitching these 2 row edges, and to do our edge stitches, we'll be folding every row or every seam allowance by at least a 1/4 inch. After making a 1/4 inch seam allowance to the inside, that is towards the stitching line, not this other side, towards the stitching line, you make